You know, nowadays animated videos are going viral everywhere. They're getting high rankings, massive reach, and the demand for them is growing every single day. If you look around, you'll see that many animated videos are getting millions of views not just once, but again and again and do. You know what that means? That means creators are earning maximum dollars from this trend. People keep asking, how do we make these kinds of videos? How are people creating them so easily? What's the secret? Well, the good news is, there is an easy way, and today I'm going to tell you exactly how to create this type of animated video niche, which is not only simple, but also super effective. This niche is perfect if you want to start earning online and don't want to show your face or use your own voice. With this method, you can create content that's fun, engaging, and highly shareable. And yes, it has the potential to earn thousands of dollars every single month if you stay consistent. Now, let's understand why this works first. Animated videos attract both kids and adults. They are entertaining, easy to watch, and can tell any kind of story in a creative way. Second, with the AI tools available today, you don't need to be a professional animator. There are tools that can generate characters, voiceovers, and even full scenes. Just by using simple prompts or ideas, you just need a good concept, a little creativity, and the right tools, and you're good to go. First, go to Chatgpt and take a screenshot of any short you like. Then simply ask Chatgpt to create this type of short for you. It's that easy. Chatgpt has an amazing feature. It can generate super creative prompts just by analyzing what you show it. Once you get your prompt, you can either use it as it is, or you can tweak it and make a whole new one according to your own demand or style. This is a Capcut especially for people who want to make viral shorts, but to be a professional. Just describe what you want, and ChatGPT will help you build it step by step. Now copy the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Now, we will use these prompts generated by ChatGPT to create images in Meta AI. And I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Now we'll copy the prompt for the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box in Meta AI. Make sure to set your aspect ratio to 9:16. This gives you a perfect vertical scene, ideal for mobile storytelling. Now click Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll have a high-quality image that visually matches your scene, just like you imagined it. Next, click Animate. This turns your image into a short, smooth animated video. Now, download your animation. Repeat the same steps for each scene in your story. Copy the next prompt. Generate the image, animate, and download. Once you've generated all your story scenes as videos, we'll move on to the next step, putting it all together. Now that we've got all our animated scene videos downloaded, it's time to bring them together in Capcut and make a full story. Open Capcut, tap New Project, and import all the animated video clips we just created. Now arrange the clips in the right order to match your story. You can trim or adjust the timing if needed for smooth transitions. Next, let's add voiceover. Tap on text-to-speech. Now type or paste your story narration. You can copy it from ChatGPT or write your own. Choose a voice you like, then hit Generate Voice. It'll automatically add the narration to your video timeline. You can move and match the voice to each scene for a clean flow. If needed, add subtitles, background music, or effects. And that's it. You now have a full animated short, created with AI-generated scenes and a voiceover, ready to post on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Once you're happy with the result, export your video in vertical format 1080 by 1920, and you're good to go.
In a forest where different species rarely interact, the lonely rabbit finds an abandoned baby monkey after a storm. They become inseparable, teaching each other the meaning of family beyond blood. When a sudden rainstorm strikes, the rabbit shelters the baby monkey, showing the beginning of a lifelong bond forged through kindness in nature's harsh moments. The monkey, fascinated by his own reflection, nearly falls into the pond, but the rabbit quickly saves him. Their friendship blossoms as they explore the magical secrets of the forest together. When a sudden rainstorm strikes, the rabbit shelters the rabbit becomes a mentor to the monkey, helping him overcome his fear of exploring the world by showing him how to leap across obstacles, one hop at a time. After being lost in the forest, the baby monkey finds comfort in the rabbit's home, a safe place full of light, warmth, and new beginnings. When a sudden rainstorm strikes, the rabbit shelters feeling out of place in their own worlds. The rabbit and monkey embark on an epic adventure to find a legendary forest of friends, a place where every creature belongs.
And just like that, you're now ready to turn your stories into stunning videos and start generating millions of views. And maybe even millions of dollars on YouTube. So don't wait, start creating today. And let your content work for you. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow creators. Big things are coming.